Phil and Filippa met the butcher. And you know that after when you say good morning, you say magandang umaga. But in the history, you say buenos dias. So the butcher said, look around all the nature, it's so beautiful. And there is perfect flowers and then so warm. And then Phil or Filippa said, why is it so warm? And said, because we're near the equator but America is not, and there is so much flowers, so much plants, so much grass. They said, why is it so warm? And said, because it's so warm and the air is more damp in the Philippines more than America. The air is more damp, and here there is flowers, and there is more flowers that smell like perfume, like very natural perfume there. So we have to eat less meat and butter, instead fruits, vegetables, and plants. And then suddenly the thunderstorm literally make a literal sound that none a human can even do. The sound of a thunder, a typhoon. And Butcher said, that reminds me of my typhoon times. Like, how can anyone make a sound of a typhoon? And then he said, these bring typhoons to Phil and Filippa, and Filippa said, why is the typhoon called a typhoon? Because it's called a typhoon. And he said, the reason why, because we got it in the Chinese, not so far away. I will show you. Philippines, China, see, and so we got it from the Chinese kanji, and Tai means great, and Fun or Fung means wind, so it means great wind. So that's during a typhoon. And then the father of Phil and Filippa was wearing a hat, and then suddenly they were talking about the Mayon and Taal, and they say that Mayon is more bigger than Taal, and the volcano erupts, and they turn into the rock. I think they found some rocks, and it actually can be really useful, like when you couscous your body, when you take a bath, and when in the olden days. And he said, what are the hats made of? The hat, I don't know where's my hat now, so let's just use this as a hat. So they say, what is hats made of? And the padre said, I will tell you at another time. And that's all for today.